Welcome to another episode of Petrochemical Diary. Today I'll be looking at aromatics in petrochemical. Welcome to my video on aromatics, the versatile petrochemical intermediate that play a crucial role in shaping our modern world. My name is Israel. I'm a petrochemical engineer. What is aromatics? Aromatics are a class of hydrocarbons that contain a benzene in their molecular structure. They are primarily derived from crude oil through catalytic reforming and steel cracking. Majorly, it is through catalytic reforming. In the catalytic reforming, naphtha is heated approximately 500 degrees Celsius and passed over a platinum-based catalyst. So platinum is used as the catalyst here in the catalytic reforming. Aromatics are not found in large quantity in crude oil, so they are mainly produced during petroleum refining and petrochemical processes, which we have measured the catalytic reforming and steel cracking, majorly through catalytic reforming. The aromatics are essential intermediates in the petrochemical industry, serving as a building blocks for various products that are used in our daily lives. Aromatics are used to produce a wide range of end products, including our plastic, our fibers, solvents, chemical, dyes, and pigments, etc. The main classification of aromatics used in the petrochemical industry is what we call our PTS. It's called our benzene, our toluene, and xylene. These are the main classification of aromatics used in the petrochemical industry. Now let's look at them one by one. What is benzene? Benzene, which is 6 carbon and 6 hydrogen, is a colorless and flammable liquid hydrocarbons. It is simple aromatic compound that serve as a building blocks for many other chemicals. Benzene is the most stable chemical in nature. The benzene molecule is a planar hexagonal plane with one hydrogen atom attached to it. And the benzene is typically produced for crude oil refining or natural gas processing. It can also be produced for other petrochemical processes such as the catalytic reforming of naphtha. Benzene is primarily used as a precursor to produce a wide range of our petrochemical, including our cumin. So these are the products of benzene: our cumin, our nitrobenzene, our chlorobenzene, phenol, and ether benzene. Now is our toluene. Toluene, which is 7 carbon and 8 hydrogen, is a colorless and flammable liquid hydrocarbons. It is an aromatic compound that is widely used as a solvent and as a precursor to other chemicals. Toluene occurs naturally at low level in crude oil and is a byproduct in the production of gasoline by a catalytic reforming or ethylene cracking. One thing we know, toluene is also called methyl benzene. Toluene is also called methyl benzene. So our toluene is an important petrochemical intermediate that play a crucial role in the production of various chemicals and materials, including our solvents, our benzoic acid, toluene, and our polyurethane. Now, our toluene is a predominant used as a industrial feedstocks and a solvent. It's added to paint, thinner, maker, and certain type of glue. So let's talk about our xylene. Our xylene, which is 8 carbon and 10 hydrogen, is a colorless and flammable liquid hydrocarbons. It is aromatic compound that exists in three isomeric forms, such as the xylene occur in three isomeric forms. We have our orthoxylene, our methaxylene, and our paraxylene. Our xylene is typically produced for crude oil refining or natural gas processing. It can also be formed from other petrochemical processes, such as the catalytic reforming of naphtha. Xylene is an important petrochemical that plays a crucial role in the production of various chemical materials, including these are the products produced for xylene: our polyester fibers, and dimethyl terephthalate. So all these are the chemical produced for our xylene. Now the chemical produced for benzene. Here we have our ethyl benzene, our cumin, our cyclohexane, our nitrobenzene. Now for our cumin, to produce our polycarbonate, we have benzene. For our benzene, we go to our cumin. For cumin, we have our bisphenol A. But then we have our polycarbonate. What are the chemical produced for toluene? The chemical produced for toluene, which are the product of toluene, are benzene, benzoic acid, and there are nylon, etc. What are the chemical produced for xylene? As I said, xylene is in TB isomeric. We have our methaxylene, our paraxylene, and our orthoxylene. So let's look at them. Let's look at the diagram. Like our orthoxylene, we have, this is our benzene, and here we have our orthoxylene. The orthoxylene means 1,2-dimethyl benzene. So we have one methyl. We have one methyl here, which is our methyl. Then we have another methyl here, which is our CH3 or CH3. So we have one methyl here in this one. Then in this two we have our other methyl, which are CH3 to have our 1,2-dimethyl benzene, which are orthoxylene. Now in our methaxylene, we have one methyl here. Then we have another methyl at the TB. I make it our 1,2-dimethyl benzene. Then in our paraxylene, we have, in the first place, in our one, we have one methyl here. If we count it 1 to the 4, at the bottom we have, at the 4 we have our other methyl with our CH3 to have our 1,4-dimethyl benzene, which is our para benzene. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and click the like button.